The incredible story of Isaac Newton, the genius who unveiled the laws of the universe. Isaac Newton was born on January 4, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, England, in a world still under the heavy influence of medieval beliefs. His early years were marked by tragedy, as his father died before he was born, and his mother left him in the care of his grandparents. Despite these hardships, Newton's curiosity and intelligence were evident from a young age. Newton entered Trinity College. Don't miss out. One browser is the must-have tool of 2024. Try it now. Cambridge, in 1661, where his interest in mathematics, physics, and astronomy began to flourish. During the period of 1665 to 1667, when the Great Plague struck, Newton retreated to his family home in Woolsthorpe. It was during this time of isolation that he made some of his most important discoveries, including the fundamentals of calculus, the nature of light, and his groundbreaking theories on gravity. The story of Newton and the apple is often told, symbolizing his moment of insight into the force of gravity. According to legend, as he sat under an apple tree, he wondered why an apple fell straight down to the ground, which led him to the realization that the force that pulled the apple also governed the motion of the planets. This idea would become the foundation of his work on the laws of motion and universal gravitation. In 1687, Newton published his most famous work, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, commonly known as the Principia. In this monumental book, he formulated the three laws of motion and the law of universal gravitation, which laid the foundation for classical mechanics and revolutionized our understanding of the universe. His work explained not only the motion of earthly objects but also the movements of celestial bodies, providing a unified view of the universe that was previously unimaginable. Newton's theories were groundbreaking, but he didn't just stop with physics. He also conducted extensive experiments with light, developing the theory that white light is composed of all colors of the spectrum. His work in optics led to the invention of the reflecting telescope, which improved upon earlier telescopes and is still used today. Despite his fame, Newton was known to be a deeply private and sometimes contentious figure. He spent much of his later years working in relative isolation, and he was fiercely protective of his discoveries. Newton's involvement in disputes with other scientists, particularly with Robert Hooke and Gottfried Leibniz, over issues of priority and intellectual property, became infamous. Isaac Newton died on March 31, 1727, at the age of 84. His contributions to science were unmatched, and his work would serve as the foundation for generations of scientists and thinkers. His laws of motion and universal gravitation dominated physics for over 200 years, until the advent of Einstein's theory of relativity. Today, Isaac Newton is remembered not only as a great scientist, but as a visionary who forever changed our understanding of the natural world. His work is a testament to the power of human curiosity and intellect, proving that one person's ideas can shape the course of history and alter the very way we perceive the universe.